Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create a stunning text effect in PowerPoint. First open PowerPoint and select a blank slide. For the background, go to Insert tab and text one box. Then go to the shape field and choose a color. Add your text, go to the Insert tab and click on text box and type your word. For our example, we are using the word Ferrari. Make sure to choose a bold and large font to ensure the image will be clearly visible inside the text. For the background image, you need a high quality image of Ferrari car. You can find free image on sites like Unsplash or Pixabay. Go back to the Insert tab and upload the image you downloaded. Once the image is on the slide, resize and position it over the text. Then right click on the image and select send back. Select the shape and then hold down the Ctrl key and click the text box. Next, under the Format tab, click on Merge Shape and select Subtract. This will crop your shape into the shape of the text. Your text is now beautifully filled with a Ferrari car. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and fun. Thanks for watching.